Anyone who has ever driven in the city knows this feeling. You're not angry right away, but the frustration slowly builds up, bit by bit. And then, all it takes is one car parked in the wrong place for everything to reach the breaking point. Park time captures that exact moment when patience is no longer an option. Looks like people are actually enjoying seeing this car get wheel clamped right here. An easy way to impress someone you like. A method for dealing with thieves at a gas station. Cases like this deserve heavy penalties. It's far too dangerous. Oh no, that's extremely dangerous. This is why you should never park next to a fire hydrant. The outcome of parking in front of someone else's entrance. Honestly, that was very satisfying to watch. Even his patience has limits, but that guy's driving skills are still impressive. Never park along the street like this. It only brings more trouble. If you ease off the brake, you might actually steer the car where you want it to go. Never make her angry if you get caught cheating. This is how it ends. Lift it gently, and the car goes airborne much more easily. The sweetest revenge for the guy who stole her parking spot. Hey man, you're the one who forgot the handbrake, not the car. What kind of driving is this? Why are you cutting into someone else's lane? Sometimes, even parking legally doesn't spare you from trouble. Don't block the car inside by parking behind it, guys. These elite driving skills might make a few people nervous. He completely rearranged the parking lot. Prepare yourself. This is the ending you might get if you park in the wrong place. Possibly the worst parking attempt you've ever seen. What on earth is happening here? Stop at a red light in the wrong spot, and this is how it ends. Who parks in the middle of the road like this? This guy must be shopping for a new car. No matter the reason, always stay alert and keep your distance while driving. Park your car in a garage during winter, otherwise, you might not find it in the morning. How did he even get the car up there? I honestly can't figure it out. Wouldn't paying the fine be faster, man? This way is expensive enough to buy a new car. Reversing like this. How many times did she have to retake the driving test? The ending for a cheater who already has a family. Loving properly isn't that hard. That turn was way too aggressive. Slow down, man. Parking like this just makes things difficult for everyone. But don't worry, we can handle it. It's great that you helped him instead of ignoring him. Stealing a garbage truck's parking spot, your ending won't be pretty. If you keep trying, you'll eventually park it successfully. Driving like this only makes things harder for you and everyone around you. If it were you, how would you get the car out? Isn't this a bit too much, or just the outcome of parking in front of someone else's house? You were warned, learn from it. Otherwise, the next ending might be worse.
at it. Oh,
How is he even driving like that? Do you know?
Look at it. I guess I can pull it up off the telephone before I yank. Boy, he standing there in the street that day. He don't know if he coming or going. Look at it. Yeah.
This is the first time I've seen someone have to physically move their car out by hand. This ending might be a bit harsh for the owner, but I actually like it. This looks intentional, not accidental at all. At least he took the time to park within the lines instead of taking up 2 spots. This car is crying for help. Please save me from this situation. It's best not to block a fire hydrant, otherwise, you won't like how it ends. A flawless parking job, nothing to criticize here.
Now that's impressive.
See? Clearly the bollard stopped the car. The car did nothing wrong. So how is she supposed to open the door now? And when that moment happens, no explanation is needed. Everything speaks for itself. Park Time is here to capture those moments, the ones where people can only stay silent and nod. If you've ever been there, you probably understand.